Solper, which is Euro wooden flooring and which is
World of Surface.
World of Surface. So I was forgetting the name. So these are the two companies under a single parent company, and they deal with the wooden surfaces and wooden marble, wooden designer flooring. So और हमें बताएंगे details देंगे
हरीश शर्मा.
Mr. Harish ji. So
Hello.
Harish ji, ये क्या है? What is the company is all about?
कंपनी अगर आप बात करें तो गाला ग्रुप इंटीरियर बेस्ड कंपनी 30 इयर्स ओल्ड है, जो
Okay.
लास्ट 30 इयर्स से बैंगलोर बेस है हम, लेकिन हम अक्रॉस इंडिया इस पे काम करते हैं.
Okay.
हमारा जो डीलर नेटवर्क है और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क अक्रॉस इंडिया है. वी आर इनटू द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आल्सो, वी आर
Okay.
इनटू द ट्रेडिंग आल्सो,
Okay.
वी आर इंपोर्टर्स आल्सो,
अच्छा.
in which we have wooden flooring. Here what we have showcasing new range of our designer wooden flooring,
Okay.
and also engineered floor, laminate floor, solid surfaces. Apart from that, we have new range of our complete different range of exterior floorings also.
Okay.
EPA wood and WPC, and also the herringbone pattern. So there's so many ranges we have, and we are one of the biggest player in this category, Euro Flooring. It's a
Okay.
20 years old brand in this category.
Yes.
And also we have one more company which is World of Surfaces.
Yeah.
In that we have a sealed brand, which
Okay.
is very very innovative.
You can.
And you can see here
You can go.
there's so many big projects and clients we have completed over here,
Okay.
in which we have done the project with the Tata, JLL, TCS, all the companies.
अच्छा. So this is used for ceilings.
They use for ceiling, wall panels, soffit area, exterior, and so many ranges are there.
Okay. So this you're promoting mostly for ceilings and other walls, and that is for flooring.
Yeah, that is for flooring.
Yeah.
And here we have innovative facade, flooring, ceiling, and cladding. 4 categories we have.
Alright, okay.
And we are actually the manufacturer of this product category.
Okay.
And we have partnership with so many companies across the India. And also we are starting our export in this coming month.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Great. So this is what you manufacture.
Yeah, we have different designs, decors. You can see in this we can make a complete in a fluted panels.
Wow.
Without any joint. We have made this panel completely
Okay.
round. We have made with this,
That's great.
and also this is a new range, which is a veneer range. You can say
Okay.
it's actually not a wood. It's a completely polymer only, but it comes like a wood finish,
Yes.
veneer finish.
Right. Okay. So you have this manufacturing unit there in Bangalore only.
We have a manufacturing unit in Bangalore, so
Okay.
we do in that way. Different categories. We have different partners where we do the manufacturing together.
Okay.
And also, if you see here, one more thing, we have the partnership with one of the very big company, Dumaplast. It is
Right.
from the Belgium,
Uh-huh.
and this is the company which having the expertise last 40 years and having export in 60 plus countries.
Right.
So now we are partnership with them
Okay.
for Indian market. They are very exclusive product. You can see here,
Okay.
this is the product.
All right. Marble mat.
This is actually not the basically tiles. It is a completely polymer based product. It's a RCB, rigid core board, which is actually coming in different sizes, 260 by 90 centimeter.
Okay.
And also there's a tile format also. It comes in the 3 ways.
Okay.
You can see here V groove also we can do. It's a jointless also.
Acha.
It's a tongue, very big tongue, and the groove is there where it goes inside, and we
Right.
just glue backside on the wall and paste on the wall directly.
Acha.
So it's very easy, very fast.
Right.
It's coming in different formats.
Okay.
It can be used in the shower area, it can be used in the kitchen, it can be used in the hotel renovation. So many ways we can use.
So they are all, rust free and corrosion free.
100%. It's 100% waterproof, fire retardant, antibacterial, antifungal. All these properties are there.
Great. So how much does this cost? Can you give me a fair idea?
If you talk about the ceiling material, it is almost starting from for the customer 100 rupees per square feet,
Okay.
and flooring it starts from 90 rupees per square feet.
Okay. So you
And-
deal directly with the customer.
No, we
or
have
dealers?
channel partners
Okay.
across India. Almost 40 plus channel partners and 500 dealers we have.
Okay.
40 distributors we have,
Right.
and we have project partners also,
Okay.
and we have sales team across the India. all part of the India.
Right, right. So builders and architects also connect with you?
Yes, yes. So many
Yes.
builders we are doing currently, like as you can see here, Kalpatru, Tata Housing,
okay.
and also JLL, JP Infra,
Right,
L&T.
right.
So many builders also associated with us,
Right.
and so many good architects also working together.
Then interior designer is attached with us.
Yes, yes. Okay, great. So you can connect with them for all your wooden ceiling and flooring needs. So do connect with them for all such things. Can you just share your details with our client, with the customers?
We are actually from World of Surfaces and Euro Flooring. Our company, parent company is Gala Group, and we are based out of Bangalore, but we have network across India, and we have a sales team across India. We are into facade, flooring, ceiling, and cladding. So you can connect with us anytime. We have the Insta page and also the Facebook, wherever you want to connect. Thank you so much for your time.